everyone, welcome back. So you have tested your Kahoot, okay? So next you are going to play. How you're going to share it with students when you are doing a live class via your Google Meet or Zoom, okay? For that, you need to go to your Kahoots, okay? So there is an option. You can see my Kahoot. See, so these are all the Kahoots created by me. So that is one option you can find here. So just click on that, see all. So these are all the Kahoots created by me, and you can select it from this. Okay, you can select it from this. So see, this is just we created, and suppose if you have you couldn't finish it on time, or you are incomplete, Kahoots will appear in my drafts. You can find all these incomplete things in your drafts, and you can complete it when you have time. And so again, I'm going back to my Kahoots. Okay, so I'm just clicking on my Kahoots. So you can see all my Kahoots. So I'm just taking this one, media. So I'm going to play it now. Okay. So when you are taking classes, you can actually use it. So I told you you can conduct it as a live game, and also you can send Kahoot challenges as all these Kahoot as challenges that players complete at their own pace. Okay, whenever they have time, they can play it. So that is they are called Kahoot challenges. But in the classroom, to assess students, we need to play live. And you would be thinking what are the uses of playing a Kahoot in your class? Yeah. So if you really want to find out the level of students before lecturing a topic, you can use Kahoot. And if you want to help the students to remember the most important elements from a lecture, you can use Kahoot. And also if you want to run a survey on students' attitude, for that also you can use a Kahoot. So we are just going to play this Kahoot, okay? So I'm just going to play this. So you have two options here. Okay, one is teach and one is assign. So we are just going to, for virtual classrooms, you need to use this option called teach. And for self-paced learning, like I told you, if you want to give it as a challenge, then you can use this thing assign. So I'm just giving it as for my virtual classroom. So I'm just giving it like teach. So click on teach. Another page. See, as we discussed in the previous video, just give my Kahoot's name is media, and just click on classic. So this is my page. Ready? Are you ready? Yes, I'm ready to join. So you need to enter a pin. Okay, I don't want this volume, so I'm just reducing the volume. I just cut the volume. Then so this is my students interface, and this is my interface. Okay, so I need to share this pin with my students. I'm just sharing this pin with you can share it with, share it in your chat room actually. Then so they can play it, they can use this pin, and they can just enter into the game. Okay, so this is their interface, and give the name Sonia. I'm just giving the name Sonia. Yes, checking. So I am in, and you can see, yes, Sonia is in. Yes. So the teacher has to give click on the start, then only the students will be able to play. So you just you can see all your students name here, so you can actually identify the students from here, and you just give a start here, and your students interface will be like this. Okay, and your interface will be like this, and you have to project it to the students using present it to the students using your video conferencing tool. Then only they will be able to see this. Okay, massive online open course, the students couldn't do it, so it shows time up. Yes, so I can go to the see what they see is only these I'll just show you what they see is, see, so I have 0 points, So what they see is like, what is media splash? So they see only these options, okay? They cannot see. So they just click one. Okay, so the wrong answer because I didn't see the question. Okay, so this is like, the wrong answer. Yes, yes. So I'll just give the next one. So scoreboard again 0. Then the next quest, like I'll just see the question and go, what type of a media is this? So yes, the TV ad, it's a newspaper. Yes, so blue color. I'll note the blue color. So I just give only the blue color here. Yes. So now I got the correct answer. So you have to make sure that you present it to the students properly. Then only they will be able to see this. Okay. And next question again. So I scored 820 marks as a student. Okay, which social media platform am I? So I just need to check it and go. Okay, so I am Twitter. Yes, the Twiki bird. Yes, Twitter. I forgot the color of the bird. Yeah, yes, Twitter is green. Yes, so I just press green. Yes, so that is again correct answer. Yes, so next thing again I give this. So this will appear on your screen and the student's screen also, first place, highest score, like this. Okay, so these are the two options. So you have to present it to your students. You have options like presenting your window or your tab to the students. Okay, so they will be able to see this particular game and they will be able to play it. Okay, so that's all about live or the live gaming or the live kahooting. Okay, thank you.